Meaning of detach.
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 Detach. The term detach means to separate or disconnect one thing from another. The result of detaching something is that it becomes isolated or independent from the rest and can function on its own. This process can involve physically removing something from a larger object or disassociating oneself emotionally or mentally from a situation or person. Detachment can be intentional or unintentional and can lead to positive or negative outcomes depending on the context. Overall, detachment refers to the act of creating space between things, allowing for clarity and autonomy.